Hello guys, good evening. That weird, that's weird. Hi Annie, how are you? How is everyone? I just got home from work. That's it. Now I'm gonna clean my face. Mas gwapa ka. Oopsie. Shoutout kay Nix. Wala po akong bias po sa Bini po. I like everyone because everyone is just so kind and authentic. And they're genuine. So, I like them all. If you guys know them in person, you'll be in awe. So, I have no bias. When I support the group, I support the group, the whole group. Ati, legit ba na maganda eyes ni Rain? Yeah, she has a pretty eyes. Ano po diet nyo? Guys, mahilig po kasi ako maggulay. Kinut off ko yung rice, but at some point, when like my body needs energy, I eat rice. But then, because I love gulay so much, so gulay and protein, alternative na lang yung ginagawa ko. Like, if I need carbs for energy, sometimes I eat kamote, mga plantain, like, saba na banana, na hilaw, na sa sa Tagalog ang kanang i-boiled, ilaga, is it right? Paso. Pero siguro kay tagbog na ako. Actually, may lagnat ako, guys. Kaya gusto ko pagpawisan ako muna ngayon. Buti nga pinawisan na ako. Thank you, Rose. Join my team. What do you mean? Hi, Louie. How are you? I'll be fine, guys. Everything's gonna be alright. That's why if you hear my voice, it's a bit weird. I sound sick because I am sick. Hello, Faan. F-An. Kay Ro. Thank you, Ro. Yeah, I do. Don't worry about me. I have Biroka. Mas pretty ka. Yep, it is the best. Like, I'll have energy sab if I drink Biroka. Of course. How am I gonna talk to you guys if I don't read the comments? Inahan sa kaluoy. Napanabang. Can I get a new? Oh, I look tired. That's weird. Medyo busy sa work. Same. Hello, FN. Thank you so much. Nakasurigaw ron? Nope. I'm here in Manila. I'm working my ass off. Ganda mo pala. Siyempre, gawa ni Lord. Uy! Ang yabang. Thank you. May pakap-kap pa tayo dyan, ha? I'm okay. I'm doing well. Do you use cleansing oil? Right now, I'm too tamad. Later on, I'm going to the CR to wash my face. Right now, I'm just... Katino ito? Si Ui. Soon, I hope so. I hope. Tara, asa man? Hello kay Althea. Salamat. Salamat kaayo. Me too. I'm so excited na. Hopefully, you guys will like it. Because we work so hard for it. I hope you guys would appreciate. Everybody really worked so hard. Ay nako, Ken. Huwag ka nga. Hello, Ashley, Nori. Maingon. Kay ano ba dya? What's going on? Why? Thank you, Louie. I don't even know ba. Like when I'm so excited too. I'm just waiting. As you guys are waiting, I am waiting too. That's why it makes me really feel so nervous right now. Someone, oy. Thank you. It's so sweet. FN, thank you. Like, this is the last day of our taping and I really had fun. Thank you to Atichi and Totiloy. They're such the best artists. So supportive. I like working with them. I like dancing with them. So much. And I enjoyed. Hi, Kim. Thank you. I'm still learning. Like, I might take classes again. Kasi it's every day. We continue to learn because everything's changing and that's the constant thing that's the constant thing that's really happening in this world. So we have to adapt. We have to you know, to fill the gap. And that gap, parang sa kinabuhi ba, permintita na agi apas na gilupog. But sometimes, you know, just want to slow things down. I just wanted to enjoy, seize the moment, not to worry a lot. And yeah, I just wanted to enjoy. I want you guys to feel that I'm enjoying my work. Like this year, that's my resolution. Wait guys, my mom's calling. Wait sa ha. Wait, stay. And I'm just gonna mute. Si mommy nag-call, di naman ako pinapansin. I think napindot lang niya. Guys, I felt neglected. Joke. Oh, may! I don't know pa, guys. I'm sorry I cannot. Ate Mariel, asa naman ka Timotya? Where are you? Timotya, tara. Labas niyo ko. Tinood ang imong mata. Yes, guys. Kaluoy sa Ginoo, tinuod. Hi! Hello, Zia. Happy birthday kay Haika? Haika? Hayaka? How to pronounce your name? Oh my God. Wait, guys. Si Mami ulit. Naka! Because I'm talking to my mom, so I have to mute, guys. Oh, Ate Mucha, wait, I'll read your message. Where's your message pa? Yes, please! Ate, let's go! Happy birthday, Bal! Shout out to Mika! Yes, please. Kasi guys, feeling ko napindot yata yun while my phone was on. And syempre, I don't know what to do. I cannot expose like a family member. Like, that was parang, it was an accident. Like, ano na-expose my family member sa ano. Not all, kasi not all of them want to be, shown online. So, I have to protect them. Ate Marielo, Timotcha, ha? Hello, Papa Saldi. Salamat. Anong wipes po gamit mo? Sonicare, guys. Huwag niyo akong gayahin, ha? Hindi talaga to recommended. Kaso lang, tamad na kasi ako. Kaya ito na yung ginamit ko. No po. Thank you. Hi, Almonds. Hello. Kay Maika. Hello, Maika. Happy birthday to you, Day. Shout out po sa imo. Ikaw ba talaga happy birthday? Shout out kay Joy. Hindi ko dinilit, guys. I just put it on archive because I wanted something new and something different for this year. And I'm gonna, parang, like, just gonna clean my feed. And I might, like, take some of the poses sa profile ko and change it, make it more cleaner. I like it clean. Happy birthday, Althea Eunice. It's okay, guys. We could get engagement naman. We just have to be patient and not, huwag madaliin. Relax. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be just fine. Be happy. And let's just chill. Like, engagement will be there. Hi, Raylin. Yes, Ate Mucha. It's not Zaya, it's Zia. Okay, Zia. I'm sorry. Thank you, Raynalyn. Oh, unsa may pa-birthday greeting kay... you don't have a name, but thank you. How to lose weight. Huwag kayo kumain, guys. Joke. Kumain kayo. Sa akin lang, hindi lang ako nag-rice lagi na. Once in a blue moon na lang. Basta rice ko gulay. Tsaka I cut off pork. Hindi na kumakain ng pork, guys. And I like chicken. I eat beef and fish most of the time. Good luck. Oh, I won't say good luck, but break a leg. Not your leg though, Road. Break a leg. I don't believe in luck. But I believe in prayers. So I'll pray for you. Na mapasar na nimo. No. I'm back na in Manila, guys. I'm back. And I'm working. And I just got home from... Oh my God! Okay. Just got home from work. Sometimes. And I eat. Cardio day. Kusog kaayo makaniwang ang cardio. Cardio. There. Very Bisaya. Cardio. Si Cardio. Sa Batang Quiapo, si Cardio. Hello, Lee. Thank you for the heart. For the fire. Saya. Kay Rialyn. Thank you, Rialyn, for your roses. So sweet. Anong skincare mo? Di nga ako nag-skincare, guys. Tamad na ako. Highly love yan. So, maybe I might wash my face before I go to sleep. I just take off the makeup. And then wash my face for if napay excess. To check if napay excess na makeup. So, it would be clean. So, guys, tinutubuan ako ng pimples like a normal person would. And here. Ito, matagal tumawala kasi ang pakasakit. Tsaka hindi pa siya lumalabas. So, I think... I touch it! Annoying. Guys, I can't sleep, you know. Okay, wait. Hi, EA! Pwede, unsay microphone gamit sa video tong Christian song na imong gikanta? Guys, I don't even know. Miss Bay, thank you. Thank you, Almonds. That's so cute. I think I need to comb my hair because my hair is not tearing. Okay, wait lang. Yeah. Almost forgot about this. Thank you kay Direk Lauren sa pag-gift. Star Magic all the way. Hey, yo, GG. Zup, bro? Hello, Leah Valdez. Thank you, Louie, again. Ooh, what's that? I'm a cowboy. Nag-usap ka mo ni Mama Brenda G. Hindi pa nga kami nakapag-call. Busy na si Mama Brenda. Look, she just posted na the she just posted na the song na she wrote sa sulod sa bahay ni Kuya. Unya, it's really nice. I like the video. Kapaspas ni Jumong comment, guys. Happy birthday to Zachary Louis. Is it Louis or Luis? Okay ra ko taon, day. Salamat kayo sa pangutan na ho. Pagpangutan na ho. Zia, thank you again. Gamos! From Taga Alegria. Naglisod mga ni kami hanap og gamos. Kamusta kayo ni Sab? Okay lang na okay, guys. Actually, I always tell Sab to update me with her cardio pod kay I want her healthy too. That's what friends do. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ginoo at Binibining Kalikasan, but it's not Ginoo and Binibining Kalikasan, it's called Lakan and Lakambini. In our school sa Burgos, like, I joined because I was forced to, and if I join daw, I'll be accepted daw sa some of the exams. And before, because it's really, thank you Almonds, it's really hard na, before I don't really love math. Up until now, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends on the teacher. Kasi, guys, if like, I get challenged, like, if I get challenged, I'll really do my best. But if I don't, then I won't. Oh, that's so cute, man! Corgi, oy. Thank you! Guys, these girls that you're talking about are all beautiful. And I hope you guys won't pin them to each other because they have good relationship. Like, you guys don't know because you guys are just there online. You're not there in person. So please stop pinning these girls, okay? It's not nice to pin girls to one another. Thank you. What's that? What do you mean? Crab mentality? Let's not be like that. Let's not drag anyone down, okay? If we wanted to support someone, let's not drag anybody down. Roy, thank you, Roy and Liros. Because, guys, every person there nakasulod sa PBB, dili na sila basta-basta makasulod if walay nakita nanindot sa ila, okay? They are all unique, they're all authentic, and of course, they're all kind. Wait. Kabalo ka dem. Of course! Girl, Bisaya ko. Bata pa ko, Bisaya na ko. It's just weird lang na magbisala ko kay kabalo mo. Ako lagi dagway lagi. Di lagi kong Pinoy. Unya, daghay kanang ba bilasa daw tan-awon kay murag wala sila kaanad. Unya, wala mo ko mahimo. Kay dito mo ko nagdako Siargao. Lo, Ha? Ay, salamat, Marjorie. Thoughts about Rain. Rain is my baby. My baby girl. Pinapagalitan ko yun si Rain kasi di yan nagbe-makeup. Alam ko maganda na yung skin niya. Pero, di yan nagbe-makeup kasi. Pero maganda na din talaga si Rain. Walang ka-arte-arte na bata. And, I saw myself in her. When I was just starting, like, so energetic and all. Maybe because I'm getting old, na, like, chill na lang, like, gang. Like, hey! Si Kai, Na, wala pa man ako makauban si Kai. Like, I haven't have an interaction with her na, like, I get to talk ba? Wala pa. We'll see. Basta nga ako na nakastorya is si Dylan, si Jazz, si Piang, pero not always man, kay they're busy. Like, si Fiang Kaduhara, si Jaren. Jaren is really nice, guys. Such a good boy. Thank you, AZ. Yes. What's that? That's so cute. Thank you, Almond. Same pod si Kuan, si Colette og si Rain. Oh my god, please Vea, don't mention that first because I am hurting right now because of that. I love Meet Your Garden. It hurts me to hear the news na wala na siya ba? Si Sunshine. Hi, R. Oh, no, I don't believe in luck, but I believe in prayers, and prayers are powerful. Prayer is your number one weapon in everything. So, ukay ni Bibi, I'll pray for you that you would pass your incoming board exams, and you'll be a licensed what? What are you taking for? Sabay mo gi-take. Shh. How's my heart? By God's loving grace, my heart is at peace because, He stored that peace inside my heart. And yeah, my heart is really, really, really okay. She's at peace because God is in it. Miss Angie. Of course. Go back. Kung na-addict ka, ma-addict ka pa. You and Jello in one frame when? My God, guys, Jello is so busy. Like, we're all so busy right now. Like, halos di kayo magkita sa ASAP. Kung magkita man, like, hi, hello, tapos magpo-prod na. Tapos they have training manggod, tapos tuloy-tuloy. So, it's really hard na, we're planning manggod to make TikTok, but we did not because we got busy. Did I charge this? Yeah, I did. Yes po, yes. It's not contact lens, guys. Sorry. That's so weird. Fave guy na Bisaya singer. Fave guy na... Siguro si Kuan. Oh, it's so hard, guys. Matod pa sa kung mga damgo. Duna pa'y ikaw og ako. Kitsa ba nagkanta? Basta ka na siya, guys. Ganan dyan ko anak nakanta ba? Yay! Duna pa sa kung mga damgo. Di ta uyab. Walay ikaw og ako. Apan kung magselos ko. Ayaw pagbuot, sige na lang taani, ha, hasula. Is that hasula? It's so funny. Ha 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 ha, sula, sula. Uy, it's ko ang budget man ni, ay court man ni, uy. Mo ba ni? Hulo. Sumano, uy. Sanang, sa babaji, it would be Ate Casey. Huy, og si TJ, guys. My God, kilig na kilig jud ko. Like, these songs are so good. Like, I want to hear, like, more Bisaya song from him. If maganda siya on English, on Tagalog and on English, what more if it's Bisaya? I would really feel it. Matod pas. Kagadot. Thank you, guys. She's so beautiful. Did you enjoy your vacation? Guys, I had the time of the vacation of my life. It's supposed to be my home, but why does it feel like it's a vacation? I don't know why, but sometimes I would say that it was the vacation of my life. Like, I get to, what we call this, to reflect. I get to just relax and just slow down. It's a reflection for me to slow down because during last year, guys, wasn't really the best year, that happened to me. But anyways, past is in the past, and I just learned how to just relax, how to just enjoy and be at the moment, and just to feel na nothing really lasts. Like, if you're sad, it's okay, just feel sad because it'll last. It's like, kung happy pud ka, happy ra ka, seize the moment, kay dili sa tanang panahon happy ka. And if you're sad, just feel it because dili pud na maglast. It's, everything happens for a reason, and just enjoy, relax, and like just what Michael Bublé, no, it's not Michael Bublé. It's, oh my god. Wait, I just have to check the lyrics ba, oy. Cause, like, wait. Check it again. Si Bob Marley. Bob Marley says na everything is gonna be alright. So, problems don't last. So you have to sometimes feel them, learn from it, do your reflection, and then when you feel happy, feel it. Be happy. You deserve to be happy, okay? So, that's all I could say about that. Guys, I couldn't watch because I'm far away. And I have taping man yan ng ASAP. So, yeah, I did not go because it would be so hassle for me sa kinaugmaan. Tama ba? Sa kinaugma. Why does it sound weird? So, pagkaugma kibali, maglisod na ko, hassle na sa ko, kay mag-rehearse pa man ko, nya, tape man na diretso. Disciplina and, stick to your goals, guys. Stick to your goals. Thank you, Zia. That's so sweet. Yes. Ay, sorry. Inimrax. Pasensya na ha. Pasensya na ho. Hello, my best. Oh, she's there. It's normal. Hello, R. Of course, anytime, South. If you guys ask. But, guys, if you ask questions, be respectful, Like, if you want to ask me questions, makuha ba ninyo ba na dili mo maka-offend? Especially sa others, ha? Kay bali sa ako, kung sa ako, okay ra. But sometimes, it's not, man. Yeah, I do still eat sweets, guys. I just eat, like, a whole cinnamon bun. Like, I love cinnamon bun, guys. I love everything that's cinnamon. I love cookies. I love sweets. But it's once in a blue moon na lang. I get to eat like twice a month. Like, I don't eat like too much. Siguro kung like malapit na yung day na, we girls go through. Lucky for the guys. Nag-try na kag-contact lens. Yeah, I tried before. I tried green and gray, and the same eye color as this. It's just that it's bigger so that my eyes will pop. But then, guys, I tried, but then, so heavy man, and my eyes is so sensitive. And siguro dahil di din ako sanay. So, ganun. It's no secret, guys. It's just there all the time. You just have to, like, do exercise, and I just eat a lot of gulay and protein. So, yeah. Where are you now? Under the sea. I wanna be under the sea. Under the sea. I'm sure go, guys. Nagkasabay na mo ni Maki? Like, what do you mean? Wala pa lagi, di pa lagi ko sure lagi kung kanus lagi ipagawas lagi ang The Four Bad Boys and Me, guys. Ug ayaw di ko gusto na i-preempt, of course. But wait, guys, let's be patient. But it's almost na. We're almost there, but we have to be patient. Waka dito lang yung mama. Guys, oh my God, if you know. Like, my mom, lagi, sige man, pangasaba, lagi namo ni The Boy. Unya, karon I miss you siya sa amo. Unya, giing na ni The Boy, oo, miss me, ni mo pangasabaon. Gabi ka, lap trip ba ni mami ba? Love language mo na mo, guys. Taga magsinungugay nga ni mi. Happy birthday, Bal! Excited na kayo, mi. Ako pod excited na pod ko. Kabusta po, makatrabaho po si who? Brent. Hoy, si Brent, ang galing-galing ni Brent pag-acting, ha? Kaka-proud si Brent. Chris Mel Villente? Can I see the picture, guys? Kinsa man to? Thank you kaayo sa pa-flowers. Kuno ka mo Oli Borgo sa ti Angie. I don't know pa, guys. Maybe soon? Don't worry, Lily. I will post. Don't worry. But sometimes, manggod. Sa artista, I get tired. But then, yeah, I'm sorry. I know it's my obligation to post. Always, to keep you guys updated. And I'm sorry for not being that active. Because, I'm trying to adjust pa here. Because I just got back. And it's like a 360 spin for me. Like life here in Manila is so fast. Hello, Ken Barca. Thank you. You're back. Hoy, Russian, saan ka? Sana mapansin, please. Oh, eh. Kala mo di tayo nakita kanina. Umong ko sa'yo. And we got the same eyes. Say hello. Eye to eye. Nagpahugjaw ba ka ti Angie? Yeah, like I came from Pahugjaw, guys. I'm an ang tawag ito? I forgot the word. Like, I'm a fruit of Pahugjaw. Like, Pahugjaw molded me. I started out there. And if whoever man dira ang mga Surigao nun o Siargao nun, guys, join. Don't be afraid to join. Join. You need to show your talent, okay? No, baby. Thank you, R. Happy 2025. Why gising pa? Because I just got home. And I can't sleep. And I'm happy to be home. Thank you, R. I'm so happy to be home right now. Uy! Sama ni, uy! Ay! Sama na. Kinsa man to? Hello, Day. Kamusta, Day? Sorry, ha. Asa yung musket na, Di, jud na, mabulag na ako, guys. Like, good luck na lang sa ako, bana in the future ba. To whoever, like, whoever has to, like, you know, basta. Good luck na lang. Shout out sa mga taga Burgos. That's so cute, Almond. There's no place like home. Hi, Ate Ange. This is... Wait. Rihanna Lumabaw. Remember, gatid na ko college. Last Great. Moko, grade 12 ako. Oh, congratulations, Rihanna! Hindi ko nga dinilit yung pics, guys. Nasa archive lang. Don't worry, I didn't delete it. Yeah, but I'm not from Cebu, though. But shout out for Florida. Hello, Jessica Butalon. Did I said it right? Hi, Marjorie! Oh. Tagsukyo ko, guys. Hiccups. Thank you, Jelly. Thank you. Amo? Hi. LA is here. Haman. Hoy, LA, hamang kaw. Ideal guy na ko. Secret. I won't tell anyone. Naman di ay. Di ko iingon. Because any guy could pretend to be that guy. So no. It's a no-no. You guys will just figure it out. I love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. How's working with the 4 bad boys? Guys, they're so professional and so good at acting, ha? Like, oh my God. At first, pressure jud ba ako? Gabi na ko ka-pressure ba? Oo, Mari, Bisaya mong ko, makasabot jud ko. Unya, guys, listo ba ya, guys? Patingan niya kuya, guys, si Kuya River. Kuya man ako si Kuya River. Oh, yeah. Naingon na di ay kung kinsa mga kung kinsa ilagi play. So, listo jud. Unya, kay Marky, kay Kiligon man jud ko ni Marky. Kay guys, tung nagabasa lang kong libro, si Marky jud ako bet jud, jud si Jadon. Maglagot jud ko kay Jadon, kay palaaway man gud si Jadon, pero at sa story man gud nag-progress magud ako pagka-like kay Jadon, pero sa unan to nagabasa ko kay Marky jud ko Kiligon. Nay guys, kuha jud ni Harvey list. Kabi ka listo ni Harvey, my God. Like, all of the cast are so good. Pati si Dustin, guys, jud makatawa jud mo. My God, gabi ka listo. Hello? Paano yung kilig?
I miss you, El. Asa naman ka? Wala kay school? Bastos? Kuya Enzo, I miss you. Where on earth are you? Nagkita kami na ti Krisha kaina. Kanina, Kuya Enz. Like, let's plan to go out. Mag-reunion tayo mga from Idol Philippines Season 1. Like, I'll make Judan a what's the word again? Group chat. Oh, my friends are here. Oh, thank you guys for supporting. I feel so blessed. Fresh mo ngayon. Yee! Thank you. Of course, of course. Si Pilingon. Thank you, Louie. Jericho Surigao Ange. Nagunsa man ka Surigao? Eliza, what are you doing? Thank you, Paula. Luman ba tag salbasyon ti? Kanindot daghan na ta. Yes, guys, nag-audition kami lahat. Ay na, basta. How to pronounce your name? Shoutout kay Sisi Liet. Jericho, nagpudyo. Hihihi. Unta magkita taoy. I hope soon. Kit-kit ang gapon kag bakog sa manok. Yes, of course. That's my habit, guys. I don't think na maglisod jud ko pag walaan na. Kay kahilig jud ako magkit-kit og bakog sa manok. Yes, I do have. Just watch out, guys. Hapit na. Hi, Amber. Jinggots. Hoy, Sam! Hama naman ko, Sam! Guys, my classmate guys from senior high school are here. Hoy, Sam, hama naman ka. I heard that you're here in Manila. Hello, Basura So or 1D. I'm a One Directioner, guys. Like, big fan. Ah, cutie. Oh, I know someone who's a chicken. Go ahead! Kabujong man ako, guys. Sorry. I think my voice is too loud. Like, my auntie is already sleeping na. Wait. TikTok mo, G. Sana mag-post pag... Of course, I do, guys. I do. It's just that I have a lot of, like, straight, guys, wag niyo akong asahan mag-post ako agad because I rehearse really hard because I'm not naturally a dancer, so I have to work extra hard like to catch up because may mga kauban ako are dancers na. So I have to really catch up. So di ko left behind ba. Unya makasabay lang ko ba nila? Because it's really hard, guys, to dance. But right now, I feel like I get to enjoy it more. And I love dancing na because of that. Jaon, kau kuman sa Siargao, no? Mango float sa freezer, no? I hope I was there. Pero mga Surigao nun kay Saba. Saba bitaw ta. Sorry ha. Pasensya na mo ha. Hello, Nicole Jen. Wait lang. Si Kuya Nicole ba ni? Kuya Nicole, you're here. Uy, dagawin taga Burgos lang ita po. Uy, maulam man talamang. Go na nga ako. How's working with Dan Serenchi and Atilaisa? Guys, you know what? I love working with these ladies because this is like the group that I feel safe. and I'm not afraid like to dance because I don't get judged, and they're the ones who like inspire me to work hard, like Ate Chi and Ate Loisa. They always parang nagaingon ba na to always rehearse before you like salang sa stage ba. Unya ganahan jud ko makig-uban nila kay gabang disiplina ngani. Unya makasundog ba ka? So it's nice to like work with people no who are really hardworking ba. Unya gana pod ang disiplina sa kaugalingon. Unya kanang ba women empowerment, guys. Like, kami na tiloy sa perminti jud mi magkantahay ba na everything's gonna be alright every time we perform. Because we know it's gonna be alright. And we just need to relax and we just need to enjoy our prod. And I really get to enjoy our prod even more. Like, when I'm with them, like, I feel safe. Ay, Hershey! Nala palagi! We'll see. Shh. Day, wala ba naiingon? Di na lagi ko makabalik Siargao para mag-school. Kabalik na siguro to ko. Wala na, tapos na. Oh, wait. Pa-birthday greetings ko. Hello, Michelle. Happy birthday to you in advance, my dear. I've been there. Nag-audition sa PBB. Nag-guest ka pa nun till stage 3 lang ko nun. Then audition more! Ay, naku, Sam. Nako. 19 ka upper. Guys, it's not 19, ha? I think that's edited na, but I think we appear like 30 times. Like 32, I don't know. Like, we count, Jod. We count. Like, the staff were counting for us. Kay, wala, Jod. Sige ramig inappearay. Basta Bisaya, Jod. Favorite ang mag-appear. Favorite pa ang mandagpi ko makatawa, no? like, guys. Thank you. Ha, ma'am, kusog. Ay, nawala man to. Kay katakutan. Kay AJ Katakutan and kay Julia Campanier. Hello? Hello, Ernel. Wala, guys. Pero syempre, nag-update ko. Wait lang, asa man na. Kapaspas ni Jumang comment, oy. Naglabad ako ulo, wait lang. No, I'm not wearing any contacts po. Thank you, Marjorie. Guys, giprank ba ako, guys, ng ako mga friends, guys. Kaya ang mga friends bang good sa D-Grind. Like, kasi we're family na, we're really close. Like, ang mga kuambang, ang mga dancers ba kay mga friends mo na ako, unya, giprank ba ko nila, kay naingon ko kay nakadance mo nila si Enrique lagi. Tapos, giprank ramang ko. Kaingon ako si Enrique, pero gikilig kog samot, nakakita ko. Ang ako nakita, dili si Enrique, pero is one of the dancers. So, like, I laughed so hard. Like, I never laughed that hard in my whole life, but I really laughed. Unya, gikilig ko. Kay, it's so funny ba? So funny, Jud. Ay, sama ni, oy. Thank you. Wala pala ko matulog. Wa pa ko tulga, guys. I think I'm on cloud 9 right now. Kaya tapos ng amo taping for the past straight ng 3 days. Walay tulga na natarong karon. Unya, ugma. Magpay katulog lang ko, ugma. J, run or walk? Sometimes I mix both. But when I'm too tired, I just walk. But when I have the energy, when I feel like it, and I want to challenge myself, like, I have like a goal man na unta ma-upsan ako ang ako last like time kay the last time nakakuang ko ng kanang 40 minutes lang unya nakakuang ko nakakanang 7K ko Tapos, ako gusto na ko na apson. Like, I want to run more, like, faster than that. Oh, daga na ta. I really wanted to see Enrique. Like, Enrique is my crush ever since. Enrique Hill, if ever you're watching. Ay, Enrique, kuya po. Kuya Enrique Hill. Hmm. Yes, yeah. Like, you know what, guys? Like, every staff there would always say na how good he is and how, like, respectful, very kind, and grabe jud, it's inspiring ba? Even na, kanang, mga well-known na ba sila ba sa industry, but they still, like, remain humble and still remain, like, so kind to everyone, na ginagreet jud tanan ba? Unta, maupod na kita, no? Magrespeto kita sa mga makakita ba kitag mga tao ba kay moingon jud taghay ba kay like we don't know na before guys I will be very honest like sobra nahaglok na nga ni ko sa mga tao kay lagi tungod lagi sa bashers napiktuhan man ko sa una unya mahaglok na ko mo greet kay wala ko kabalo ba si badya wala ganay sa ako unya mag-greet ko what's the purpose for but then when I get to realize like na it's nice baya to greet baya people kay we don't know that one hi that one hello kamusta ka that one smile would like light up someone's day ba so right now I'm just chill na ko like I'm not scared anymore. Wala pa jud like nagaadto siya ABS pero wala jud ko makaapas jud niya kanang naa si jud didto like same taping day but then not kanang ang time ba ang kanang time ayun sa panipagstorya guys. Guys, naglibog naman ko guys. Tasagol naman ako Tagalog, English ug Bisaya. Unya wala na ko kasabot unsay ako istorya ba. Thank you, Mel. It's so kind of you. Te, ba ano ang Cebuano sa Saba LA, paghilom dira. Agoy ha. Wala na, maulaw na ko. Di na ko, wala. Off na nako ni. Naulaw na ko. Sig panungog ba? Agay, wala na. Naulaw na ko. No, guys. This is my eyes. Thank God. Anong kulay sa mata ng daddy mo? My dad, ano pa tawag ng eyes na kanang naga-change sa season? Because my dad's eyes are really green. So it's he has green eyes. And sometimes when it's winter, it's more ma-evident nga ni ang brownish sa in the middle. So he's like green, his outer in his eyes, the outer is green and then the middle is like brown. But then when it's summer, I remember before his eyes like the brown is very evident, so it looks like hazel. But then when it comes to like winter, guys, his eyes turns gray. And when he's in here in like Siargao, like his eyes murag amber nga ni, almost like amber ang ija middle. So my dad's eyes are really pretty. So I think I got my eyes sa iya. Or nag-mix ang ila ni mommy. My eyes change colors depends on what I eat. And sometimes depends on the lighting. Like when it's so sunny guys, tapos nagabulad kog sa sugangan ni sa araw, if nagpaaraw ako, like my eyes would turn like amber. And I don't really know what color my eyes are. I think it's cognac. Do you pronounce it like that way? Wait, let's search. Like if there's no lighting, it's just like orangey brown. Favorite veggie G? I really love cabbage, guys. Ever since I was little, I love cabbage. And I love carrots. Carrots is like one of my favorite food to munch. Kay gianad man min ako mami. And you know guys, when I eat carrots, my eyes turns orange. Like orangey brown. And if I eat kalabasa, it will be yellowish brown. It will be lighter. But when I eat carrot, it would be darker, but then almost like it's gonna turn red. Udsa nga ni guys, maulaw ko usahay magpa-picture nga ni with flash kay ang ako mata mulaga. Mura kog si ko ba? Mura kog ba si Jacob ba? Jacob! Si Pilingon. Kasi basta ako busis, marunong ko lalaki guys, oy. What's your height? I think I'm just 5'3", guys. I don't know. Not really sure. Depende na lang sa mga taon na galantaw na ako, guys, kung unsay ako height. Miss Angie, hello kay Ramel Javier. Anyo, hello Anyo. Amber, hello. Chaday mo ice budyag. Chada pud gaday. Gwapa kay ka. Salamat. Anong lahi mo? Pinoy. Bias of 4 bad boys. Guys, this is like I always told you guys, I really love Marky. Like Marky is my bias all the time. I love Marky. Like sa book, I'm a fan of Marky. I love Jadon, but I love Marky. Like Marky is like, diba si Daumense? Like si Jaihu? Oh, guys, I forgot. Stop. I don't want to embarrass myself here, so no. Oy, thank you, Ali. She's so pretty. Thank you. To be compared to her, my God, guys. Wala lang ko sa Asia kalingkingan, guys. Yes, of course. Chada siya day. Kapagod kaayo. Chada pod kacho. Hello, Ramel Javier. Hello. No, I'm not. No po, no. Buotan si Colette. Buotan tanan mga taga PBB, guys. Like, again na, walay mag-pin diri against bisag kanin o kung gusto mag-support unya dili mag-pen down ng usa ka artist, okay? Because I know this artist really work hard to be where they are right now, and it's really not nice na we disregard or we murag i-disregard na tong ila effort nga ni unya dili nato i-appreciate ang ila authenticity kay gina-compare na nato sila unya mawala na dira ang kanang ba. Ay, thank you, Nico. What are you doing? Murag kag si Everdeen. Salamat. Hi, Leah. Thank you. Pure Pinoy ma? What do you mean, Kiana? Kinaya. Kinaya Sor. Kinaya ni girl. No, I am not. I'm half Filipino, 1/4 Russian, and 1/4 Jewish. Yes, I love Gigi Hadid. I love Gigi Hadid, Bella, Kendall, and right now, guys, I'm obsessed with like, wait, I forgot her name. Like, I'm so obsessed with her. Like, she is one of like the thinnest like waistline sa modeling industry aside sa kay Jasmine. And I like her. Like, I forgot her name though. Hello. I'm not a baby, guys. I'm 22 years old and I'm turning 23 this year. So, technically, I'm old. Ay, gopahimang gajo dito na ate ka na. Kailan ba siya? Sa muka, oy. Guys, ask me questions sa boy. Kanang this or that. Kana ba? Mga anak ba na question ba? Para malingaw ta. Of course, Ropey. Pansinon jud ti ka. So, thoughts about Zayn Malik. Wait, what happened? What's the issue? Guys, I'm not updated, sorry. Dogs or cat? I like both, but I would choose dog. Because guys, I need something that's really sweet. And cats, they're sometimes mean, but I know they're sweet if they like you, but cats don't like me, guys. Like, I tried. Paak lang ko. Hindi na ko, maglok na ko. Coffee or matcha? Matcha, of course, it's matcha. Manok or sinugba? Manok. Wait, what do you mean by sinugba? Sinugba na manok or manok na hilaw? Clarify, please. Yes. Wala man. Ex siya ni Gigi Hadid. Oh, okay. Kendall or Bella? Stop. Lily, stop, girl. Stop. Don't have to choose. Like, these girls, I love them. Like, I love them all the same. Asa naman tong sa jeans or dress or jeans? Guys, I'm a sucker for jeans. I love jeans. Sing or dance? I love doing both. I get to enjoy doing both. Why not both? Or rakan. I'm the one who's asking nga. Ako nagapili og kuan. Og or. Hugs or kisses? Pwede both. Guys, I'm a really clingy person. You don't know if you don't know. I am. Serene po ba po ganda? She's astig, guys. She's astig. Duster o Colombo? Stop! I guess Colombo. I can't sleep without it. Like, good luck. Good luck for me if I don't have it. Career or love? Huh? Why not love, guys? If you love I would choose love. Because if you have love in doing everything, like, everything's gonna be just smooth. But if you mean, like, love in a romantic way or career, I want to have both. Why would I choose one? As a shellfish person, shellfish. Oy, hoy si Kev, shellfish. Shellfish. You know, I just watch your videos. Hello.
Wait lang, pwede picture tayo?
Oh yeah, sure.
Sobrang ganda mo naman.
Hoy, pinapanood ko lang videos mo dito sa TikTok.
Sorry, kinikilig ako.
You're always so funny. Kamusta man ikaw?
Okay man, ikaw, saan ka ngayon?
Ako, I'm just here at home. Kakauwi ko lang from work.
Hi, Ate Rachel. Uy, totoo ba? What if mag-banding tayo?
Oh, where are you from ba? Uy, message me.
Nasa Manila kasi ako nung nakakauwi ko lang dito sa Mindoro ng kahapon. Pero nasa ako. What week? I mean,
Ano ba yan? Ang layo mo naman pala. Like,
Davao?
be, wala ako sa Mindanao ngayon.
Ibig sabihin, nasa ano kaming Danao?
Hindi, nasa Manila. Ba't di ka nagsabi? Hello? Kevin, are you there? Or I'm just no signal. Wait, Victor. Oy, Kevin, ang ganda-ganda mo pero wala kang pambili sa signal, ha?
Sorry. Medyo naputulan kasi kami ng wifi. Okay na?
Pagalitan. Sorry. Pagalitan mo ngayon nagsabit ng wifi nyo.
Tulan kami kasi nga tagal ko dyan sa Manila nung nakaraan kasi walang pasok. Matutulan ako.
Oh, okay. So what were you doing ba here sa sa Manila?
Pag may events, ganun, pupunta ako.
Huy, magsabi ka naman. I would love to watch if you
Diba?
have an event. Si
Hindi,
OA.
hindi, sorry. I mean, na-overwhelm. Na-overwhelm. Hindi, nakakatuwa lang ako. Kasi, really, kausap kita. Ganun.
Ha?
Siyempre, kausap kita, natutuwa lang ako.
Char, si OA, oh.
Kakalma ko na lang yung sarili ko.
Ako, I'm happy I get to talk to you.
Ng mga ayam ya. Nang magkape-kape tayo, ganun.
Sige, let's go. Tell me lang.
Saan ka ba sa Manila? Saan ka ba sa Manila?
I'm very far, but I'll tell you if I'm around. If you're around here, tell me. We'll go.
Sige. Magkape-kape.
Sige.
Hello, nakaka-sure yun, no?
Oo nga.
Hindi ko na.
Ay, Char, sige. Pag libre, go ako. Mas go ako. Si OA.
Sorry. Huwag ka magalala. Ma-overcome ko dito kasi malang pag-meet natin. Very professional lang, very dignified, walang...
Uy! Stop it. Like, I always watch Judy mo ko amba. Bisaya ka?
Nakakaintindi.
Nakakaintindi. Like, I always watch mong good your TikTok and just always make me laugh.
Totoo ba? Nagpalit na ako ng content. Pero,
It's okay. You're always so funny. And it's always giving laughter to every people who's watching. So, keep it up.
I love it so much.
Hoy, kikilig noon ko. I'm kilig noon now.
Alam mo, yung di ba nag-audition ko sa PBB, yun yung di ba, nung ka parang 10, di ba? Pang 10,
Mm-mm.
diba?
Yeah?
Yun din yung parang pinaka-first time ko nag-try mag-audition. And nakakatawa kasi di ba parang online ata that time?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Din ako, pinapanood ko kasi kailangan i-post ata sa Facebook, sa Kumu, ganon. Pag napapanood ko, ang cringe. Kaya pala
Hoy, audition again, ha?
parang nakita kita nung nag-audition ako, last audition ko.
Oh, like, recently, sa 11?
Oo, saan yun? Sa may Las Piñas, nandun ka.
Oh my God! Sayang di kita nakita. Like, I already followed you there.
Pero, si Angie, kasi di ba nga mutual na tayo, no? So,
Yeah.
Tapos, that day bago ako mag-audition, nag-chat ako sa'yo nun. Basta nag-reply ka, gano'n. Tapos, ko nasabihin, basta nag-audition. Kita, si Angie, pangkad niya naman.
Uy, hindi 5'3 lang ako.
Ilan? 5'3"? Matangkad na yun, nakahilis ka ata nun eh. Ako, 5'2" lang ako. Mas matangkad ka pa din.
Uy, I really hope I could see you in person. Kung may audition, mag-audition ka, ha?
Nakakatuwa ako naman.
Hindi, nakakatuwa ka naman. Like, gabi, guys, TikTokers, like, 1 million followers.
Love you, Angie.
I love you.
Ang gaganda pa ng pictures mo sa Instagram. Anong camera mo?
Oh, I'll share. Wait lang. Asa ba itong camera? It's, where did I put it ba? I charge it, but it's Canon Mark II?
G7 Mark II.
Yes!
Same tayo. Kaya
Maganda yun. Like, isend ko sa'yo kung paano ko siya in-edit. Like, yung ginagawa ko kasi, like, I edit it out, like, the filter, like, para, ang vibes ba? Like, the vibes. Kasi, di ba, mine is, like, parang, very warm. I like it warm.
Ganda nga, lang. Grabe, kabog naman yung mga pictures na to.
Wag ka nga, Day. May, lang yun. May makeup lang.
OA ka, OA talaga. Nung sinalubak mo nga ako sa IG, siguro kilala niya talaga ako.
Of course! Lagi kita pinapanood, naka-follow ko sa'yo bago ka mag-follow back sa akin, no?
Nagulat nga ako, te. Sabi ko, naka-follow pala sa akin to. Sabi ko, gano'n. In-story ko pa nga yun, pero close friends lang.
Oh.
Sinalubak niyo ako, nakakatuwa.
Oh, I really like, uy, sana dyan mag-meet talaga tayo.
Talaga, promise. Like,
message me,
oo, sana may time ka, 'di ba? Sana available ka.
Oo, good. We'll see, we'll see.
Sige, picture tayo last.
Sige.
I love you so much.
I love you!
Bye.
Nakakatuwa ka naman. Bye-bye.
Ako din.
Oh.
Naiiyak na ako. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you, Kevin. See you soon.
Love you, Angie.
Message me, ah. Bantay. I'll wait for you.
Opo. Bye-bye.
Sige, bye-bye.
Ba't di ma-disconnect?
Ba't ayaw ba?
Ay,
Oh, hindi ako marunong dito, ha?
Ako na. Wait lang.
Talagang talagang marunong dito. Like, TikTok is not my forte. Sa man.
Ayaw, giday. Ba't yun ayaw? Feel ko talaga dito. Patayin ko na. Mag-out na lang ako.
Oo.
Bye. Sige, bye ulit.
Bye-bye. Love you, Kevin. See you soon. Message me. Oh, uy guys, kikilig noong ko. Uy, sikat baya to siyad guys dito sa kuan TikTok. Nindot baya. Perminti ko magkatawa dyan sa mga video ba. Sab, where are you? Wait lang, I'll message. Wait. I have balita. I'll message you later. So guys, I think it's time for me to go to sleep or to just relax because it's overwhelming that everybody's watching and it's overwhelming for me to talk this long. So I'll be out because I'll be chikain and I'll say goodnight because it's time for me to sleep. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. And God bless you. And bye-bye. And I love you all. And God bless you. And bye-bye. And I love you all. And God bless you.